Hang on, hang on. Here, you go to the bag, I'll go to the front. I go down there. Hang on, we got a door here. We got a door problem. Shut your door.
Attach it to that swing somewhere.
Come on, what that's it? I've got a heavy end,
Imagine the bike guy trying to come back.
running round.
Guys! God, it's...
And the worst is if you can't get out of it. It fell out of it.
You like that?
Oh.
You like that?
I think I'm alright, Danny. You alright?
Yeah.